ain't never been. The only time I went to Kentucky was when I got some fried chicken. Kentucky fried chicken. Oh, nah, and then when I took that test, I've been to Kentucky, my bad. Look out, y'all. Let me see, where else they from? Oh, Jersey, I ain't been there yet. Cornfields of Illinois. Valdosta, Maryland. I need to go to Maryland. I need to go up there on the top. Alaska is just south of Dallas, Bonton. What? Baltimore. Chicago. Look out. London, UK. What's up with it? Look out. What's up with it up there? Let me see. The Investigator. NYC. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel, man. Look Out Racing. You on there? Look out. Yeah. I ain't tried to, man. I ain't trying to do it, y'all. Hawaii. I need to go to Hawaii, too. I don't gotta have no passport to go to Hawaii either, dude. But anyway, for my people that's watching on TikTok, man, if y'all want to catch it on 1080p, man, I'm here on YouTube live. 1080p looking good. Got my partner in them telling me they 75-inch TV. Got my boy right here. He spraying like it ain't nothing, y'all. He acting like it's all turbo only, but he got juice, y'all. He done tricked everybody. He over here sneaking people, telling me, oh yeah, it's all in the tune. Line. Over here, line. His partner didn't work for him. Look, watch he catch him. Watch he catch him. He gonna run him down. Get over here. Look at her. Just run him down easy, y'all. He got juice. I'm telling you. But yeah, y'all come on over there and check out my YouTube channel. Look Out Racing, y'all. It be going down. I be live every weekend. It's about to be a whole bunch of races going on this month, y'all. Tomorrow I'm gonna be in Ennis, Texas. I know y'all gonna be wanting to check that out. It's gonna be the radio roundup, cars going all in the 3s and 4s and all that, y'all. So I know you're gonna want to catch it. So subscribe now. I got a reason. And get what? How much it costs? Free. Cost you free. Come check out the scene up here in Jersey. I want to go to Jersey. I gotta. Okay. Devil's Bowl speed. Here we go. All right, look out. Oh, we got high voltage races team in the building, y'all. EV Smoke. Look, we got Mr. Kite Shot in the building. Hey, Mr. Kite Shot. I'm there. Appreciate that, Big Daddy. Them Tequachis are out tonight. All the Tequachi trucks is in the building, y'all. They all in the building, y'all. 24/7. Look out, we live at 10. Man, I know I would have been there. Where the real cars at? All I see is junk, somebody said on TikTok. Ooh, that horrible silence. Man, that's all they got. No chemical. Oh, yeah. We out here live at Yello Belly. They giving out gas out. Somebody said these things are sleepers, bud. These things will pop your dad's Mustang. Yeah, this truck right here probably whoop your dad's Mustang. Boy, you just don't know. See, they be looking, they want a paint job. That's what it is. You can't get, everybody ain't looking for no paint job. Everybody ain't buying, they buying intake. For sure that'll get dead on your daddy Mustang, boy. Boy, that'll whoop your daddy Mustang. Boy, he let your daddy hit. He let your daddy hit in that Mustang, boy. See chemical. Ain't ain't let your daddy hit that mother. He thought that was. What's up? Look out in the building, y'all. Talking about he. Oh, I see his crap. I'm looking for something in the threes. Anything here in the threes? No.
Yeah, we got the Hellcat.
Man, where a Hellcat at?
Right there.
Let me see. Oh, he got the badge. He got the badge, y'all.
You better take that scooter back in downtown, bro. They're gonna track you on that.
Oh.
Man, they're gonna track you on that beach. Now we got a tracker, bro. Look.
Milton installed downtown scooter,
he
y'all.
broke the lock off the bag.
Broke the lock off there. God, I heard they got. Okay. Much love from Pueblo, California. I ain't never been out there in Pueblo. I ain't know. What's that scooter? He next in line up. They trying to figure out what that scooter run. He be running that too. They about to put juice on it next week. They just ordered the plate last week. Y'all don't even know. Y'all be thinking it's a game. San Diego, California. I need to, oh, they got much love for me from California, y'all. I mean, Seattle. That was somebody said. Somebody said they got love. I got love in Maryland, too. I ain't know I had that much love. That's what I'm talking about, man. I love y'all, too, then. Since y'all just giving it out. I thought that's who was gonna win. Bunch of lemon. I got some love from Minnesota, y'all. I ain't know, is it really cold in Minnesota? Cause all I think of is the Timberwolves. And do it really be Timberwolves out there? I know everybody else had to be thinking that same thing. Like, y'all be just outside and just see a Timberwolf somewhere. Look, here he go. Hey, y'all, I gave him, his stuff wasn't running at first. He put that stick on there. He got extra, I think, what is 7 horsepower? Yeah, he got extra 7 horsepower. That's the thing, y'all. Oh, he got a new Mustang. Oh.
Hey, that's the dude that has a tiny little orange car, right?
He ain't doing, yeah.
God, what do they call him?
Oh, I know it's a wagon. It's a wagon, Pinto.
Yeah, but the dude has a name.